YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I got to give you guys a Bitcoin update because a lot of people wondering if Bitcoin is still going to be a good hold to hold into this bull cycle if Bitcoin does decide it wants to tear up. We were seeing some price action earlier just the past couple days in Bitcoin when Bitcoin decided it did want to kick up and retest that 63K range. As you guys could see, Bitcoin coming in at $769 million market cap with close to 600,000 holders. Guys, this coin is absolutely exploding in growth in holders. It's definitely still the biggest coin on base. And guys, I'm still super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm going to explain to you guys why. But first, I really want to just dive into just some of what Brett is listed on, some of the markets that it's listed on, stuff like that. As you guys could see, they're listed on Bybit, they're listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, BingX. They're listed on a lot of really big exchanges. L-Bank, they're listed on Hotcoin. So I think that Bitcoin can do really well. This is a coin that, again, is not yet listed on a website like Binance. They do have a KuCoin listing, but again, no Binance listing yet for Bitcoin. So when will Bitcoin be listed on Binance? I think it's just a matter of time. I think when that happens, the price is going to go absolutely crazy. We've seen the price do this before, guys. This exact pattern played out right here. Bitcoin created this shoulder head shoulder, right? Then dropped down, created this wedge. Everybody was panicking, and then it shot up like crazy. I think there's a good chance that that could happen again, guys. Again, with where Bitcoin's at, it fits the narrative. Again, we're in September right now. We just dropped interest rates. Bitcoin was starting to pump recently, but again, we talked about the sell-off also that was going to happen into the weekend with Bitcoin. I want to show you guys a little bit of Bitcoin for all my Bitcoin holders that didn't watch my past two videos because they were not Bitcoin videos. But guys, I want you to check out Bitcoin, just see what Bitcoin's doing, and just know that we could see a little bit of sell-off coming into this weekend. We do know that generally we see some sell-off into the weekend, right? We see a lot of fakes happening on Monday and Tuesday, and then later in the week, closer to Thursday, we usually see real price action happen. Well, here we are on Sunday, guys, and look, we're right here. Similar to where we were at right here, in my opinion, guys. We created a very similar trend, and this, in my opinion, is again why we're seeing a little bit of red. We've seen Bitcoin try to retest this zone right here and then end up dropping. It did drop down and create some lower highs, which is good. That's what we want to see with Bitcoin. We want to see it continue to create lower highs, right? Especially when we're in the midst of this recovery right here, starting to round out, starting to hopefully create somewhat of a cup and handle pattern. I think that this could be really good. Also, 1 year chart or all-time chart, creating this cup and handle on the macro, right? And then creating also super nice bull flag. We've been talking about this bull flag breaking up and the fact that we could have possibly been seeing the bottom. Look, this guy's saying the same thing 23 hours ago, looking like we're heading out of the perfect zone of accumulation. Guys, I've been saying that we've been in the glory zone of accumulation, guys. If you've been following this channel, again, nobody breaks down these charts quite like your boy Crypto J. But look at this fear greed index, guys. We're just getting out of this zone, this orange zone right here, starting to break up into this yellow. Are we starting to see this rally right here? Are we going to see something similar to like this where we trend in this orange and then we start breaking up straight into green? Or are we going to go trend into orange a little bit, trend back into, or trend yellow and then trend back into orange, right? For a short time and then see a big parabolic run up. Either way, I do think that we're going to see a big parabolic run up coming soon. Too much bullish stuff going on, guys, with Bitcoin. Again, cup and handle pattern, huge bull flag pattern playing out. And Brett too. Brett has a lot of bullish patterns playing out too, even though Bitcoin's starting to consolidate and Brett's starting to look a little bit funky coming off of its positive price action that it was seeing during the week. We can still see a lot on the and the more macro charts for Brett that this coin can still have a lot of upside. Again, we just created similar pattern right here with this wedge forming right here and shooting up. That is what I would expect for a coin like Brett, especially for how much interest that this coin has. But again, it is looking like it could be possibly either going to hold some support here and starting to round out its pattern and starting to trend up, or this thing could drop down a little bit more and retest this low to possible another double bottom. But the odds of it breaking down below this, I'm not too concerned, even though it is looking a little bit funky, just because again, I think Bitcoin will have the volume that it needs. On this last Bitcoin pump, this was the number one coin trending on Dex tools, and there's a reason for that. There was a lot of volume going on this trade, of course, because this coin's traded on pretty much every large exchange. So again, let's see how they're kind of doing over here on Twitter. 114,000 followers over here on Twitter, and they're active and they get really good engagement. I like the Brett community. I feel like this is a coin that, because of their marketing, again, look at their reach, right? 2 million, 3 million. Come on, man. They're getting millions of people, and so there's no wonder why people are buying this. There's no wonder why this holder count is getting so high on Brettcoin, as you guys could see, close to 600,000 holders. So again, this is a coin that I'm still very bullish on. It's still a coin that, in my opinion, could have some significant upside. I think Brett can easily hit like 5 to 10 billion market cap in this bull cycle, maybe even more. I mean, I think there's a lot of coins. There's going to be a lot more coins that are making those types of gains that we were used to seeing last cycle, because guys, there's just more money that's going to be in this space. It's going to be a lot of new investors. There's going to be a lot of FOMO. We're going to see retail start entering, and usually retail starts entering in on our fourth leg up, right? So this would be our fourth leg up right before our big correction. I feel like this is going to be the super cycle, guys. This is going to be where Bitcoin rips to its new all-time high before ultimately correcting. How high will Bitcoin go? Again, I don't know. It's always speculative how high an asset will go. It's always determined by the value of the market decides it to be. So really hard to say. Also really hard to call the bottom too, right? Did we find the bottom on Bitcoin? Only time will tell, guys. But again, we talk about probability on this channel. But we also talk about the possibility too. So it's very probable that Bitcoin has already found its bottom. It's looking like we've already found a bottom, right? Look, double bottom here on our all-time chart. Also, huge bull flag. We got a cup and handle flag playing out. Just so many indicators showing that, again, we're starting up this meme cycle. Again, a lot of these big institutions picking up these coins. I'm going to be covering them, guys. We're going to be talking about it. It's never financial advice, of course. And also, if you want to come trade with your boy Crypto J, all you got to do is share this video over on Twitter at JTalksCrypto. And also, let's tag Brett in the thing so that people know more about this project, and also so that Brettcoin sees that I'm making videos on their content. And yeah, guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Again, if you like this type of content and want more of it, you got to hit the bell notification. I'll catch you next one. Peace.